Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to clone an opportunity in Salesforce. This is incredibly useful when you're dealing with similar deals or recurring business, as it saves you from manually re-entering all the same information from scratch. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll need to navigate to the Opportunities tab. To do this, click on the App Launcher, which is the waffle icon you'll find in the top left corner of your Salesforce interface. Once you click it, a menu will appear with various options. Look for opportunities in the list and click on it. This will take you to your opportunities dashboard where you can see all your existing opportunity records. Now that you're in the opportunities section, you need to locate the specific opportunity you want to clone. You can either scroll through your list of opportunities or use the search bar at the top to quickly find the record you're looking for. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on that opportunity record to open it. This will display all the details associated with that particular opportunity. With the opportunity record now open in front of you, look towards the top left of the record page. You should see a button labeled Clone. Click on this button to initiate the cloning process. What this does is create a duplicate of your existing opportunity, copying over all the key information while allowing you to make necessary adjustments. After clicking Clone, Salesforce will generate a new opportunity record with pre-filled fields. You'll notice that information like the opportunity name, associated account, stage, and other details have been automatically copied from the original record. This is where you'll want to review everything carefully. For instance, you might need to update the opportunity name to reflect that this is a new deal or adjust the close date to match your new timeline. You can also modify any other fields that need to be different from the original opportunity. Take your time here to ensure all the details are accurate for this new cloned opportunity. Once you've finished reviewing and editing all the necessary fields, you're ready to finalize the process. Simply click the Save button and Salesforce will create your cloned opportunity with all the updated information you've provided. And there you have it. You've successfully cloned an opportunity in Salesforce, saving yourself valuable time while maintaining consistency across similar deals. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.